Best move or moves made yesterday were by who?
Well, nothing's going to trump what the Nets did because
Is it a great deal?
The dream scenario, but the under the radar team is New Orleans. What the Pelicans are doing, the number of moves and quality players on good deals that David Griffin has brought in. What's happened with David Griffin and the Pelicans in 6 weeks since he's been in charge? I mean, he's completely changed the perception of that franchise. It's amazing. Now, obviously, there's a huge slice of luck in it. The Spurs will tell you, hey, we were lucky. We were in the lottery twice, and we got Duncan and Robinson. You do need luck. So Zion Williamson, they can't claim any mastery there, but everything else they've done around that has been an A, maybe A+.
Worst move?
Worst move. I mean, look, everybody wants to do winners and losers, and it's too hard to do that at this point. But, I mean, obviously there are teams out there that are coming away with nothing. And, look, the Knicks have certainly raised eyebrows with the money they've spent on, I thought the deals would be shorter and smaller in the wake of not getting Durant and Irving. They've decided to spend more, I think, and on a lot of front court players than people were anticipating. But I think also we need to see where the Lakers and Clippers shake out here. Too soon for me to call that one.
For more Dan Patrick Show, tune into Audience Channel 239 on DirecTV. Stream for free on BR Live or download the Dan Patrick Show app.